Here's how to link PayPal to your bank account or credit card. So for us to get this done, I'm using the web version here, and there are actually several ways that we can do it. The first one that you can do is just tap the option here at the right side. It says add card or bank. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. Once I do that, you should be redirected here. You can link a credit or debit card. You can also go ahead and link your bank account. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the first option here, link a credit card. I'm just going to show you both ways. So once you've opened that one, what's going to happen is it's going to ask for your card information. So you have the card number, expiration, CVV, and then your billing address. After doing that one, just go ahead and click the link card right here. Now we're going to go back and we're going to go ahead and link using a bank. So we're gonna follow that same option. So from here, for example, I'm gonna go ahead and click link a bank account. After doing so, it's gonna ask me to enter my bank name, or the bank name rather, the account code, the account number, and of course your name associated with it. So once you're done, just go ahead and click this one, and then if you want to link a US bank, you can go ahead and click this one over here. So basically it's a bit different for US bank. So you have the routing number and then the account number. And that, everybody, is how you're going to link PayPal to your bank account or credit card.